So hey everyone, welcome back to an interesting tutorial where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can adjust the screen recording resolution in OBS software in your PC. So all you have to do is to open the software in your PC. While you open the software, you will see an option of file at the top left corner. Just click on it and open the settings of the OBS Studio. Once you enter the settings, you have to go to the option of output at the third number in the left window. Just simply click on this. Then you need to click on the recording section at the top window. Once you click on it, you need to scroll down and find an option of rescale output. It's just right there. Just simply, if it is unchecked, you need to check this mark, and then you can select the screen recording resolution here. The various resolution will be right in front of you. You can select any of them. Once you select as per your convenience, just simply hit apply and OK, and resolution has been set for your screen recording. So that's a very interesting and quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials.